Image processing is a technology that has seen significant growth in recent years in the fields of artificial intelligence and computer science. This technology is used to enable computers to recognize objects in images, analyze images, and gain more information. Image processing technologies are used in many industries and provide many advantages. Image processing technologies are used in various fields, including automotive, medical, security, agriculture, and manufacturing industries. For example, in the automotive industry, image processing technologies enable vehicles to recognize objects around them, providing a safer driving experience for the driver. In the medical field, image processing technologies are used to analyze medical images and diagnose diseases. In the security industry, image processing technologies are used to analyze images captured by cameras and identify security vulnerabilities. Image processing technologies include various techniques such as object recognition, face recognition, optical character recognition, OCR, video analysis, and 3D modeling. Object recognition is used to recognize objects in images. This technology allows computers to identify the shapes, sizes, and other features of objects. Object recognition technology is used in security cameras and autonomous vehicles. Face recognition is used to recognize faces in images. This technology identifies facial data that can be used to verify a person's identity or identify a criminal in a search operation. Face recognition technology is used in security systems and social media applications. Optical character recognition, OCR, is used to extract written text from images. This technology facilitates the digitization of many different documents. OCR technology is commonly used in the banking, healthcare, and legal sectors. Video analysis is used to analyze video images. This technology is used to understand, track, and classify the movements and behaviors of objects in video images. Video analysis is a subfield of image processing technology designed to interpret and process data from video images using artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques. Video analysis enables the recognition, classification, tracking, and analysis of objects in video sources. This technology is used in security, healthcare, education, retail, and many other industries. For example, in the security industry, video analysis technology can be used to detect dangerous situations or crimes by processing data obtained from cameras using features such as face recognition, plate recognition, motion detection, and behavior analysis. In the healthcare industry, video analysis technology is used to monitor and analyze patients' movements. For example, analyzing the movements of patients with Parkinson's disease using video analysis technology can provide information about the progression of the disease. In the education field, video analysis technology can be used to monitor students' attention levels, class participation, and learning processes, providing feedback to improve learning outcomes. In the retail industry, video analysis technology can be used to analyze customers' behaviors to improve the shopping experience. For example, analyzing how customers search for products and how long they examine them can optimize store layouts and product placements. Video analysis technology includes many features such as object recognition, face recognition, plate recognition, motion detection, emotion recognition, object tracking, object counting, pose estimation, and object classification. These features enable video analysis technology to be used in many different industries. Video analysis technology is designed to interpret and process video data using artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques. This technology makes life easier for people by being used in many different industries. Video analysis technologies are used in many different sectors. For example, video images captured by security cameras can be analyzed using video analysis technologies to facilitate the identification and detection of criminals. Furthermore, video analysis technologies are used in the retail sector. Video images captured by cameras in stores can be analyzed to understand customers' movements and shopping habits, enabling store layout optimization and improved customer experiences. The education sector also benefits from video analysis technologies. Students' behaviors and learning processes in class can be analyzed using video analysis technologies, providing teachers with more detailed information about their students' learning outcomes. With the help of video analysis technologies, teachers can monitor students' attention levels and class participation, allowing them to guide students more effectively. Video analysis technologies have the potential to improve learning outcomes and enhance the overall educational experience for students. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos. Take care of yourself.